word of Jesus inviting you, telling you today, come to me, all of you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Jesus is calling you today. Jesus is asking you today, you who suffered that pain, you who suffered that pain from relationship breakup, from that depression that you experience today, Jesus calling you, come to me, come to me, all of you who are weary. It means you are weak, you are sad, you feel unhappy, you feel that nobody's value you